Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Chef Ronstaa. I want to thank the ones that like, commented, and subscribe. For those that didn't, what are you waiting for? Go like it now. Today we'll be doing a fusion dish. It's going to be air-fried Kerala style fish inside a taco shell. That's homemade. And as a side dish, I'll be making mango jalapeno salsa and Maduros on the side. Shout out to Little Change for the comment that he wants to see me make it. I do what you guys asked for. Got you guys. And it's going to be sweet and spicy, just like me. So I got two tilapia fillets, and we'll be marinated with ginger garlic paste, black pepper, salt, chili, and a half a lime. I'm going to marinate the fish right now, both sides nicely coated, and I'm going to leave it for 24 hours in a Ziploc bag. Now the fish is ready to go. Before I put in the air fryer, wham, bam, wham, bam. Wham, bam, bam. Air fryer right now. I'm gonna put it at 400 degrees for 10 minutes. Just set it and forget it. Just kidding, don't forget it. So guys, now the fish is cooking. Let's work on the tacos. I made these taco shells using flour, water, jalapeno peppers, and small chilies that's fresh from the garden. Always keep it fresh. I'll be cooking these tacos under medium heat for 2 minutes per side. It's been 10 minutes later. Take a look at this. Wow, nice and crispy. Now we're gonna start working on the Maduro. So I'll be cutting these out ripe plantains in thin slices, and I'm gonna pop it into the stove that's getting hot right now. So guys, now the oil is nice and hot. The way to test it, put one of them in there. If it sizzles like that, it's ready to go. So we're gonna put these for 1 minute, 1.5 minutes per side, and let's see how they come out. I'm flipping them. Take a look at it. They look nice and caramelized. You know that's when they're good to go. It's going to be nice and sweet. Now that the Maduros are done, let's work on the mango salsa. I'll be using mango, onions, jalapenos, lime, and of course cilantro picked freshly from my garden. So now I chopped up all the ingredients. So let's mix them all together and let's get our taco ready to go. So the reason I use tilapia fish is nice and flaky once you cook it, and it's ideal for that taco. To top off everything now, we're going to cover it up, and I'll be using avocado, tomatoes, onions, cilantro, fresh from my garden. Okay, and I'll show you how to make a sauce. Now I'll be making the sauce to go on top of it. I'll be using sour cream, lime, and also salt. Just 3 ingredients, that'll do the trick. Guys, now that we got the tacos ready, mango salsa, Maduro, and of course fish, I'm going to top that off with tomatoes, onions, and avocado. And of course, put the sauce right on top of it, and let's see how they look. So guys, the fish came out really well. This will be a nice sweet and a spicy dish with the mangoes, habaneros, and the Maduros. So I got everything together, put some cheese on it, and this is the final product I got. You got tacos, mangoes, Maduros, fish. Oh my, what else do you need? Guys, if you like what you see, don't forget to like and subscribe. And also let me know what you want to see me cook. I'll take care of it for you. All right, Chef Ronstaa coming at you.